Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's waste no more time and let's get cooking. So let's begin. I'm using cheddar cheese and I'm going to grate half a cup worth. You can also use mozzarella cheese. You can use a combination of mozzarella and cheddar. Now I'm filling it into half a cup measure. See that it's nicely heaped, and I put it into a little bowl. And now we are going to measure out, yes, our second ingredient, which is liquid egg whites. You can use the carton ones, you can use fresh, but altogether I'm going to be using 3/4 of a cup and this is the other 1/4 cup measure, and 3/4 of a cup, and in it goes. And there we are, 2 ingredients. I've taken a really big non-stick pan. I've poured in the whole mixture. I'm going to get a huge wrap out of this. If you want to make a smaller one, then use a smaller pan. You'll get 2 or even 3. And I'm allowing it to cook slowly and at medium heat. Don't put it on a really high heat, because the cheese is also melting, and so are the egg whites cooking. You can also add at this point some herbs, spices, garlic powder, chili flakes. Make it interesting as you like. Now time to flip. After it's well cooked, you'll know it's cooked when you pick up the edges. Cook the other side for maybe another 30 seconds to 45 seconds, and so that the cheese melts all over. And there we have this amazing wrap. Fill it with your choicest of fillings. Yummalicious. Thanks for watching and do subscribe. Bye then.